Oh my god. I already took 2 out. Oh yeah. Hello, my friends. Today we are in South Charlotte in the historic South End area, and the wind's not blowing too much, but I'm going to check out a couple places here. One behind me is the Common Market. You can see it right behind me there. So yeah, let's go check this out. And it is a windy day, so I'm hoping you can hear me. Big old CM up there, Common Market. They got a real cool little mural here. Not sure what he's doing. Maybe he's pulling something out. Not quite sure what he's doing there. So yeah, this is called Common Market. And check out this cool sculpt here as you walk in. It looks like there's stalls or something. Not quite sure. Looks like a robot right here. You got somebody playing the violin. Then you got this cool windmill. So yeah, pretty cool piece of art right there as you enter the Common Market. And here's the entrance right here. So as you walk in, you got this really cool mural. Check out the space guy and the skull. He looks pretty freaking cool. You have an upstairs area, and you got this really cool artwork kind of all over the place too. And check out the accents around here. Yeah, man, this is really neat. You got the mirrors up here. A nice little sitting area here. Good stuff. Good old pig here. They do serve food here as well. Check out the taps all the time. They're decorating. You got some really cool old signs like Graham's Groceries. Got all these different advertisements up there in the tin, porcelain. Then you have this area here for receiving. Up top there, old receiving sign. And you got sandwiches right there. You're gonna get us. We actually might get a sandwich. And you've got some cool swag for the Common Market right here. They used to be closer to downtown, but I'm happy they're here in the South End historic area. So this is their new location, and here is their market area here and restaurant. They've got a bar here too. Nice seating area here. Of course, you get your bathrooms. Oh, check him out right there. Check out the boar holding his beer. You got Mr. Fish there with his tie on. Yeah, I'm just digging this place. Yeah, they've expanded too. Looks like they're a lot bigger. If you look up top there, get more taps up here. Some more cool vintage stuff hanging around. So yeah, and you get here's some more swag. Check it out. Got these hoodies right here. Funky neighborhood vibes. Look at the umbrellas going across there. Love that. And then you have all your different beverages over here. Got your snacks and stuff here. Come in here and get a great lunch. Everything's freshly made. You get your wines, get your desserts. Here's all your different beverages here. Check that out. Foreign and domestic. And here's your menu up here on the wall. Man, they got a lot. I've eaten here before, and their sandwiches are awesome. I mean, you get your money's worth for sure. They pile the meat on there. They pile whatever you want on there. And then you've got all kinds of sodas. Then over here you have your different beers. You've got your small breweries, and you've got your local breweries. You got your domestics and import beers. And over here you get more wines to choose from here. And like I said, you've got upstairs. We're gonna check that out too. Check on the vents here. You get the beer on the vent going through. But yeah, I love how they always decorate this place. And there's your bar there too. So if you want to grab a cold adult beverage or just a Coke or soda, and they have coffee here too. So if you want that piping hot cup of coffee, you can get that here too. I'm gonna go upstairs now and get this little seating area here with these comfy barrel chairs here to chill out around the table, chit chat with your friends. Rose right there, Rose all day. It must be her name. And you get some nice neon too. Check that out. Salads up here. Get your beer neon, and you get your reindeers. Looks like a vintage Christmas decoration right there. Get your PBR advertisement right there. So check out these booths here too. Now there's some retro right there for you. You got these cool chairs here. Go over here. See, check that out. Looks like it was an old Burger King or something. There's the outside over here. So you have outside seating. It's kind of windy out there, so we probably won't go out there right now. Sandwiches. You get a cool shot from up here, looking down on the common market. And again, you get some really cool swag. Here we got Pinocchio down there, right next to the swag. Here's Pinocchio right there. He's just chilling. Just love the atmosphere in here. It's really cool. A lot to look at too. But that mural right there, that must be Mr. Sandwich right there. There he is right there. There's Mr. Sandwich. He's got his buddy here floating through space. And South End at one time, see the old building here, a lot of these have been converted into retail and restaurants. And check out the Krispy Kreme. I wonder if that's their office, because their new headquarters, Krispy Kreme's new headquarters, is right here in Charlotte now. So yeah, check that out. Hopped Krispy Kreme. I'll have to walk over there and look at it, but that's an old warehouse. A lot of textiles, a lot of trains went through here at one time. Most of the tracks are gone now. The only tracks you have now is the light rail. Kind of give you a close-up of all the swag. Check out this little finger puppet thing. Got the unicorn finger puppet. Got this weird creature. I don't know what in the heck that is. Got this tentacle, so you put that on there. And you got massive tentacle finger. And oh, check this out. Zombie hands. Those are pretty wild. Yeah, those are pretty cool. Here's some more tentacles here. You got the raccoon fingers. You put on your fingers. There he is there, Mr. Raccoon. And you got a foot if you want finger feet. You said, yeah. Oh, they do have a right and left. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on there? What's going on? And you got Mr. Rogers' coffee mug. Oh, you got the whole coffee mug here. Little mini cup. And you got one for the road. Now this, wow, Outlaw Social Club. That's pretty cool. Definitely vintage. Looks like it's got bullet holes in it. Yeah, it's got bullet holes in there. That makes sense. Outlaw Social Club. But this is more of their outside area here for eating. And check out the old freight box there too, converted into an outside bar, which that's happening quite a bit now too. It's a cheaper way to start your own business up, getting the freight cart here and converting them into business. So you get a lot of bars like that, and also little eateries made out of those. I'm sure that's really awesome at nighttime, with the lights and everything here too. And yeah, feels good today. It's like 65 degrees right now. Feels awesome. And behind the common market, you got these cool bathtubs here and little things here where they're growing their herbs here. That's pretty neat. More outside seating out here with your bathtubs and herbs growing. But yeah, that's where we were, inside right there. So you can come out this way too. And walk over here. I want to check this Krispy Kreme thing out. So yeah, this is an old warehouse. Check it out all the way down there. And again, we're in South End, historic area. There's your hot Krispy Kreme original glazed now. Hot now. Krispy Kreme original glazed donuts. I'm wondering, like I said, I wonder if this is their office. The reason that might give it away, if you walk over here, check out all these donuts on the wall. Really cool mural. Got all your flavors. Share the joy. Queen City. So you got a little bit of everything on there. All their different decorated donuts. That's pretty cool. This is literally 2 miles from my house. Not too far away. But I'm going to walk down here and see what this is called now. I love that they did save this building, thankfully. And see, that's new there. They had a bunch of old buildings. They're all gone now, right where that huge parking deck is, and the office is up there. I think this is Krispy Kreme, their headquarters. Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize they were here now. I knew they had moved to Charlotte, but I didn't know they moved right here, right down the street from where I live. There it is. Krispy Kreme. I'm gonna go inside. I just want to see what it looks like inside. I'm not sure if we can film in there, but this is their headquarters, folks. Krispy Kreme donuts. So unfortunately, I can't film inside. This is their offices, but it is their second headquarters. They do still have their other offices in Winston-Salem, but I talked to the young lady here. She's like the office manager, and of course, you know, it's a working space, so you can't film in there. But they have the main test kitchen here where they test new stuff, new flavors, stuff like that for the donuts. That is really cool. When you walk in, you can see the kitchen, and they have some really cool old logos on the wall. Pretty neat. And yeah, this is now the main test kitchen for Krispy Kreme. So she was telling me down here is the retail store for their Krispy Kreme down here. And I was wondering, because along down where I live, they closed the old Krispy Kreme. So this must be the new location for them, right over here in this cool building. They break off all the old entrances, and at one time you had all kinds of rail lines going through here, and they're all gone now. But yeah, let's go over here. Here it is, folks. Probably the biggest Krispy Kreme I have ever seen, right here. This is awesome. And now we know where to go to get our delightful glazed donuts. And then right next door is Insomnia Cookies. So if you don't feel like a donut, you can go right here and get some cookies. So, and they do deliver. So yeah, let's check it out. The inside of this awesome, huge Krispy Kreme. And here you have a vending machine if you don't have time to wait for your donut. Yep, Krispy Kreme, made fresh daily since 1937. And as you walk in, you have the sweet smell of donuts. Isn't this awesome? Here you go, hot. Charlotte, North Carolina, now. Man, as soon as you walk in, you're blasted with that sweet glaze smell. Get racks and racks of donuts ready to go. Get your Krispy Kreme hat here. This is so awesome. This is probably the coolest Krispy Kreme I have ever been in. And check out that donut goodness right now being made. Check the glaze out. Oh my God. Look down there at the bottom too. Oh man, that looks so scrumptious. I'm gonna have to bring some donuts home. You don't come to a Krispy Kreme and not buy donuts. Get a different angle of the inside of this awesome Krispy Kreme. You got the donut, the holes here. Looks just like the box that you get your donuts in. Yeah, we're gonna have to bring some donuts home because Connie would look at me like really strange if I didn't. Check out the light fixtures. Look like donuts. Skinny donuts, but they have a donut look to them. And you get the donut with the crown up there too. That's pretty cool. And the jewels in the crown are donuts. Yeah, the cool skyline of the city with donuts raining down on it. That's the Charlotte skyline. And she is getting me hot glazed donuts right now. I'm getting a dozen. We're gonna bring those home. But yeah, fresh glazed Krispy Kreme donuts. Got my fresh donuts at Krispy Kreme. There it is behind me. There we go. Right there. Oh man. Carolinas, the home of Krispy Kreme. Check out the old water tower right there. Yeah, all this is new. This is like in the last couple of years, this stuff flew up. And there's a Stream restaurant. We're gonna cover this area. This is gonna be like the basis where I start for covering a lot of the Charlotte area is South End. There's so much here now. A lot of breweries, restaurants, clubs all through here. And this new building is the new Lowe's building right here. And Lowe's started in North Wilkesboro as the North Wilkesboro hardware store. But now, as you know, it's expanded pretty much all over the United States. But yeah, Lowe's started right here in North Carolina. And right over here in this corner is called the Pour House. P-O-U-R. Little drinking spot right here. People are just sitting around enjoying life as it passes by. And but yeah, South End is pretty much happening now. But yeah, we'll walk down here and show you some more. And we're on Hawkins Street, and you got Emmy Squared Pizza right here. not open just yet. A little pizza place, and looks like they have a bar there too. So yeah, you get these little businesses tucked in where these condos are and apartments. Very cool. And check these out over here. Those look pretty neat. And you do have this cut through here. Love the artwork on the walls. I literally live maybe 2 miles, maybe less than that from here, and there's so much to do. It's a great place to bike too. And got the Patty Wax candle bar here. Cool clothing store. 20 degrees chocolates right here. Again, you got some cool artwork here. All these awesome hearts just everywhere. Some more retail over here. Oh, they got donuts too. Yeah, donuts right here too. It looks like they're more of a custom donut place. Pepper Box donuts and coffee. So if you want your coffee and donut place, right here too. Locally owned and operated. And then over here, Barcelona's is right here. We've eaten there, and it's some good food. This is a courtyard right here. Years ago, this was Spaghetti Warehouse. But now they do banquets. Yeah, Spaghetti Warehouse used to be right in here. I don't know if you guys had Spaghetti Warehouse, but yeah, you could sit in these huge brass beds and stuff. And here is the awesome water tower right there in South End. That's the South End water tower. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this outside eating area is cool. Nice place to sit out, enjoy your food and your beverage with your friends. Love the timber. I can smell the food. Man, this food smells good. Yeah, they're cooking away. Like I said, there's just restaurants all through here too. Great place to walk around at nighttime with all the lights. And this building here, from what I understand, it dates back to the 20s, 1920s. And I'll walk back over this way. Here comes the monorail. No, the light rail, sorry. Here comes the Lynx light rail. So you do have a few stations here to pick you up. You don't necessarily have to drive down here. There's areas where you can park and get off right here in South End, historic area. And check out that mural. It's pretty cool looking. Love the colors, the designs. And there's a cool shot of downtown Charlotte from South End. Beautiful day, beautiful skies, great skyline. Love it. There's Jenny's ice creams here. They're always packed. We'll pan around here. You got more eating options right here. Hawkers is really good. Asian street fare, great food. And I want to show you something over here. Biddy and Bo's coffee right here. But right next door is Shake Shack. And that used to be Pike's. And they filmed a couple movies there in Pike's when it was there. It was an awesome place to go get a burger and sandwiches. Shake Shack is there now. But they filmed Shallow Hal there. And a couple other movies. I'm not sure if Talladega Nights was filmed there. It's possible. Again, pan around here. This is such a great area to come to if you're in Charlotte. So we're gonna head on out, and I just want to show you this. This is just the start of this tour. There's gonna be a lot more to see soon. So yeah, so like, subscribe, leave a comment or suggestion of other places you want me to visit. And but yeah, we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.